Hello friends, welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can earn PayPal from online by doing a simple step. For this, you just need a normal laptop or PC. So without delay, let's get started. This must be the easy way to earn PayPal amount from online. So for this, you just need your normal laptop and PC, and you have to download an emulator. I will give the link in the description below. You can download the emulator, and for the process to earn from the emulator, you need to sign up to its affiliate program. So I'll show step by step how to sign up to its network and earn from it. So open your browser first and type LD Player Affiliate, AFFILIATE, LD Player Affiliate. So search on Google LD Player Affiliate. So click on the first search result, LD Player Affiliate program. So here, if you haven't signed up before, you can join it through your email or through Google. So click on join now. I have already signed up, though I will show you. Click on join now. So you can click on sign up with Google. So you can choose your Google account and sign up to LD Player Affiliate account. So when you sign up, it will be shown like this. I have already signed up. I will sign in here. Log in with Google. So I have logged in with my Google account. So the first dashboard after you sign up will be like this. So here it will show conversion, total commission. So conversion means the link that is shown here, affiliate link. So this is my affiliate link. So in your dashboard it will show your affiliate link. So you have to promote the affiliate link to your social network, website, blogs, or anywhere else you can promote. So I have promoted to my YouTube channel. So I have got total 4 conversions and 4 commissions. So I've got all the commissions from the conversion. So you can see the conversions and the commissions. Total conversions 4 conversions, commission 4 commissions. So I have got $0.5, $2.5, $1. So you can see all the details from where the conversions have come. So I will say you in clear way how you can earn PayPal money from LD Player Affiliate program. So you can see in the dashboard affiliate link. So what you need to do is just promote the link here. So in here, copy the URL and you need to paste it. You can send it through your email accounts, through your messengers, through your WhatsApp, Viber. You can send it to the people you know and the friends you know. You can send the URL and say them to download the LD player from the link you have sent. You have copied from here. So when they download the LD player, they have to use it on next day. So when they use it on next day, then you will get a conversion and a commission. So it depends upon from which country they have downloaded the LD player from your link. So I will show you the payout commissions rate from the country and pricing. So you can see from B1 tier, US and UK, they give a commission of $2.5. The highest commission rate is from US and UK. And V2 tier is from Hong Kong. You can see Japan, Korea, Taiwan. They give up to $2. So you can check the pricing and you can promote your link and convey them to download the LD player from your link. If they download the LD player and use it on the next day, so you have to take care that they only not have to install the LD player, they have to also use it on the next day. If they use it on the next day, then the conversion will be made and you will get a commission. So I've got your 4 conversions and 4 commissions. So you will get a payout in every month of 15 date. Every month's 15 date. So you have to make a commission of $30. So you can see here I have $0. So if I make a $30, then I will get it on my PayPal account. So you can add your PayPal account or you can change your PayPal account through their contact us option. So this is the easy way. So you can see a LD player here. I have installed LD player. So it also says it's in opening home page, commission up to $2.5 per user. So also I have got $2.5 the US conversion, you can see 2.5. I will show the details. So the country is US, conversion 1, commission $2.5. so it is not fake. You can get up to $2.5 commission and you can withdraw it to your PayPal account. So it's the easy way to earn PayPal amount by doing a simple easy step. So I will also give a download link on my description below. You can download the LD Player and you can also join it on the LD Player affiliate program and earn PayPal amount in instant. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel if you are new to our channel, and don't forget to share with your friends so they can also earn PayPal amount doing simple tasks, simple easy steps on online. So keep on updated. I will bring more videos like this. Thank you.